Hey there, you cool cats and kittens. It's Milmanator here from NC, and today we're going to go over how to take the deprivation data from the New Zealand census and use it in ArcGIS. I was hunting around for a way to do this to get the data out of the New Zealand Statistics website, and it seems a rather complicated affair, but luckily I found that somebody's already done the job for me. So if we jump into Add and go to Browse Living Atlas Layers, we can have a look in there, and what I'm looking for is NZ Census and Zealand Census data, and what I'm looking for is the deprivation index data. This shows areas around New Zealand based on areas of deprivation, so I'm going to add this to my map. First thing you'll note, it's taking me out into the Tasman Sea for some reason, so let's find land again. And I'm going to go somewhere familiar into the Wellington region, and what we can see there is not a lot really, and you're thinking, where is this data? I've added it to my map. It says it's there. Where is it? Well, we actually need to zoom in because it won't show the entire country at once. It will only show once you get into a certain zoom level. So this information here is showing areas of relative deprivation, but what let's say you've got a project where you're wanting to locate a business, let's say a luxury car yard. You're wanting to find an area where people are relatively wealthy and as your customer base. So I'm just going to change style here, and you can see here all the data that they've got available, and it's masses of it. They've got access to a fax machine, because I don't know how that shows that whether or not you are deprived or not. What it really shows is stuck in the last century. But there's whole stacks of other things. There's the actual deprivation index, which kind of combines all this data together. They've got difficulty communicating, hearing, seeing, walking. So these are questions that get asked in the census, apparently. And we have ethnic groups and things, qualifications. What I'm looking for is income. So what do we got? Well, unfortunately, it only shows income above $70,000 or more, which is the top tax rate. And so I'm going to go with that. And it's going to come up with this information as a series of dot sizes. Not very good to communicate, so I'm going to use a choropleth with different colours. So what we've got here is the darker areas are the wealthier areas of the Wellington region, and the lighter areas are areas which have relatively low income. And so I could use this information to locate my luxury car yard. So heaps of other data is sitting in there as well that you can use from the census. For all those people who filled in the census last time, which actually wasn't that many people, but still good all the same. Cheers.